Hello, this is lesson number 8, and in today's lesson, we are going to talk about getting around. Let's start. First, we are going to learn some vocabulary that you can use to talk about places in my city. For example, the first one is hospital, then bank, bakery, fire station, train station, park, supermarket, museum, bus stop, bookstore, library, police station, post office, amusement park, airport, school, restaurant, cafe, hotel, zoo, cinema, playground, stadium, gas station, pharmacy. Now, how to give directions in English? First, when you want to ask for directions, you can say, where is that? And you mention the place, for example, where is the hospital? Or you can also say, how do I get to the hospital? Now, first, we are going to learn some very useful expressions that we can use to give directions. First, we call them traffic lights, then roundabout, sidewalk, zebra crossing, blocks, and finally, crossroad. These are some verbs in English that you can use to give directions. First, you say turn left, turn right, walk straight ahead, go past, and cross. And these are some prepositions that you can use for giving directions. On the corner of, next to. For example, the house is next to the building. You can also say opposite. For example, the bike is opposite the coffee shop. In front of, for example, you can say the park is in front of the swimming pool. Between, the house is between the trees. And across. So, we have here an example of a dialogue. I'm going to read it for you. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Where is the post office? Walk straight ahead for 2 blocks. Okay. Then turn left at the traffic lights. Got it. After that, cross the street and the post office is next to the bank on the right. Thank you so much. You're welcome. So, it's practice time. Look at the map and choose the correct answer to the question. Where is the bank? A. Next to the Chinese restaurant. B. In front of the music store. C. Across Maple Street. And the answer is A. Next to the Chinese restaurant. Next question. Where is the drugstore? A. In front of the swimming pool. B. Between the parking lot and the movie theater. Or C. Across the parking lot. And the correct answer is across the parking lot. Great. Let's move on. Where is the music store? A. On the corner of Davis Street. B. Next to the movie theater. Or C. Between the newsstand and the bank. And the answer is C. Between the newsstand and the bank. Let's continue. This time, we are going to have more practice. In the next slides, you will see a direction for a place in the map. You will identify the place being described. So, guess the place in the map. Look that there is a space here, so you will complete that space by using the correct place from the map according to this address. Notice that you are here in this point. So, let's start. Turn right on Main Street. Go straight ahead and turn right on Davis Street. That is in front of the travel agent. And the place is the grocery store. Okay, let's continue with another one. Cross the street. Go straight ahead on Main Street, then turn right on Maple Street. That is across the swimming pool. And the answer is the park. Very good. And this is more practice. Practice giving directions for these places in your city. You can go back in the video to check the vocabulary. If you want, you can stop the video here to take the time to answer these questions. I suggest that you take a notebook and you first write the directions there by using all the vocabulary we learned today. So, the questions that you need to ask are, how can I get to the school? How can I get to your house? And how can I get to the supermarket? You can take your time to do it. And thank you very much. That would be all for today. See you soon.